All right, on the Flat Rate Master, today we're talking about you need to always be improving. Now, it's been said many ways, but if you're not learning new skills in all parts of your life, if you're not working at being a better technician, if you're not working better at being a better person, husband, for me, better YouTuber, you're going backwards. And it's an important life lesson for everybody. You should always be trying to learn new skills, new things you can apply to this job or in life in general. Look at your weaknesses as a person and try to, improve them. Because, that's how we grow. That's how we get better as a person. We need to find, weak points in what we do and, figure out ways to improve them. That might be as simple as watching diagnostic videos on YouTube, going to virtual training classes because of right now. It might be spending some time on the weekend studying stuff that you're not comfortable with. It might be just trying stuff. It's simple as that. You want to learn how to build a PC. Build a PC. Pick up those skills. I know it seems a really simple concept, but you should be surprised how many people just don't. They don't try to improve. They don't try to, figure out a better way to do that job. They don't try to figure out a better way to diagnose that problem. They don't go through life trying to find better ways to live. I'm going to use money as an example, so hopefully this doesn't hurt some feelings. I'm going to give a story about some money trouble from some friends of mine. They're not even together anymore, but it'll be a good example. You're always broke. Well, look at your situation. Now, at the time, this other couple and me and my wife were in a similar financial situation as far as income. And they were always broke. They were always having to hit up parents for money to pay bills. But when you looked at their lifestyle severely exceeded their income. They were going out a couple times a weekend for very expensive dinners. Starbucks was a daily thing. Expensive lunches were a daily thing. And rather large, expensive purchases were also a very common occurrence. Well, think about it. If you're having money troubles and you're spending a bunch of money on stuff that you don't need to spend it on, that's a perfect example of, not improving yourself, because there's two ways to solve that problem. Spend less or make more money. One or the other. And that couple didn't learn. They've since divorced. So that couple didn't learn anything from their situation. They just kept repeating the same thing they were doing over and over again. They'd get bailed out by their parents, and then they'd do the same stuff and then have to get bailed out by their parents. Now, admittedly, the parents were unfortunately encouraging that situation by, bailing them out. But my point of this is no matter what your situation, learn to improve. Figure out a better way to do things, to live. It seems really, really simple, but the fact of the matter is, when it comes down to it, you should always be looking to improve. No matter what it is in life, be better. I know it was preachy, hopefully inspirational, but as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.